Tippee Simplee Diaper Pail Refill Cartridge by Tippee is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. For such a tiny person, your baby can generate a lot of mess. The Tippee Simplee Diaper Pail is the simple, stylish and space-saving solution for keeping your baby's room clean and odor-free. Multi-layer film on the refill bag and a smart seal diaper bin lid keep nasty odors contained, saving you numerous trips to the outside trash bin. The bin is also suitable for the disposal of diapers, cotton wool, wipes and all other trash. Helping you parent on based on using size 1 diapers, 8-14 lbs, multi-layer film and smart seal lid deodorizes and blocks all odors. Diaper bag film contains antibacterial ingredient that kills 99% of germs. Each refill cartridge can dispose of up to 180 diapers. Refill cartridge available in counts of 2 and 4. Compatible with the Tippee Simplee Diaper Pail.